Welcome to our WordPress tutorial series. Today, we'll walk you through the basic settings to get your WordPress site up and running smoothly. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you configure essential settings for optimal performance. Let's dive in. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you're having trouble logging into your WordPress admin dashboard, just enter your website's domain followed by /admin_wp after your domain name. This is the control center of your website, where you can manage posts, pages, themes, plugins, and more. Familiarize yourself with the layout as it will be the primary interface for managing your site. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu with all the main options you'll need. Let's start with the General settings. Navigate to Settings, and then General. Here, you can set your site title and tagline, which are crucial for branding your website. The site title is the main name of your site, and the tagline is a brief description or motto that gives visitors an idea of what your site is about. Ensure these fields reflect the purpose of your site accurately. In this section, you'll also see the WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL, fields. These should typically be the same unless you have a specific reason to separate them, like using WordPress in a subdirectory. Next, enter the administrative email address where you'll receive notifications. If you want users to register for your site, check the membership box and set the default role for new users. Subscriber is generally the safest option as it provides the least privileges. Finally, set your time zone, date format, and time format to match your location and preferences. These settings affect how time and dates are displayed on your site. Once you've made all the changes, remember to click Save Changes to apply them. Next, let's look at the writing settings. Navigate to Settings, and then Writing. This section helps you configure default settings for creating and managing posts. Here, you can set the default post category and default post format for new posts. This is particularly useful if your blog primarily focuses on a specific topic or uses a consistent format. Additionally, you can configure settings for remote publishing and update services, which can be helpful if you use external tools for creating content. Now, let's move on to the reading settings. Navigate to Settings, and then Reading. These settings determine how your content is displayed to visitors. You can choose whether your homepage displays your latest posts or a static page. Selecting a static page is beneficial if you want a custom homepage separate from your blog. You can also set the number of posts to show per page on blog pages and in syndication feeds. Adjusting these settings helps manage the layout and flow of your site's content. Discussion settings control how visitors interact with your site through comments. Navigate to Settings, and then Discussion. Here, you can manage the default settings for article comments, allowing you to enable or disable comments on new articles, require a user to be registered and logged in to comment, and more. You can also set up comment moderation and notification preferences, ensuring that you maintain control over the discussion on your site. These settings help prevent spam and maintain a positive community environment. Finally, let's configure the Permal Links settings. Navigate to Settings, and then Permal Links. Permal Links are the URLs of your posts and pages. Choosing an SEO-friendly permalink structure is crucial for search engine optimization. The post name option is a popular choice because it creates a clean and descriptive URL. This setting not only makes your links more attractive, but also helps search engines understand and index your content better. And that's it. You've configured the basic settings for your WordPress site. These settings form the foundation of your website, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more in-depth tutorials. See you in the next video.